Okay, go. We have the latest Amazon Echo Show, which gives you bigger sound, can show you things, whatever that means, voice control over your smart home, hands-free calling, voice recognition. And thousands of skills, including Amazon, CBC, CTV, Air Canada,
Ring.
and more, and Ring. So it's got voice recognition. It's about time Amazon made an Echo that could do this. So what we have, it comes out like a briefcase.
Empty.
And it's got your standard charger. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
And we've got some pamphlets here in French. This is the Canadian version, but I'm sure the US version will be the same.
Except without the French, like on Spanish.
Plug it in and set it up. Set up a compatible Zigbee devices, and then it will improve over time, aka spy on you better. And we also have our manual here with our important safety instructions. Where's my shredder? And it's also in German, because safety sounds scary in German. And then
Okay, stop filming it, and then you can cut into when you power it up.
there's a lot of lighting here.
Oh.
So who cares?
Hello. Ready for setup.
English? Or do you have to budget? Ugh, glad you can talk. Oops. Cut.
Het Charles Duurneem.
Yes, that's me.
Wil ik ze demo?
Yeah, get your fingers out of this.
Updating this device.
Okay, you can probably cut. I don't know. I gotta go grab my phone.
What's your voice, the volume down?
Where is my phone?
Hij had dan.
Oh, Adam. You can do a brief cut. Wobbly camera.
Dat makes so shit as well. trying to repeat it?
But the lighting's not good, man.
Yeah.
You're short on stuff, yeah, so I was showing على
Push the button. Push the button.
Can't we bring my lights in? Or put it down?
Welcome to your new Amazon Echo Show. It's everything you love about Alexa, and she can show you things. Start by saying the wake word, Alexa. You'll know she's ready when a blue indicator appears on the screen. Use your voice to watch videos, control compatible smart home devices and cameras, make video calls to another Echo device with a screen, and play music. Ask Alexa to play a song, artist, or genre. Alexa, play top hits.
Here is a playlist you might like. The top 100 most played.
Watch TV and movies from Prime Video. To start a show, say, Alexa, play the Grand Tour.
Getting the next episode of the Grand Tour.
With the built-in Smart Home Hub, setting up and controlling compatible home devices like light bulbs and smart plugs is as simple as just asking. Or with compatible cameras, ask Alexa to show the baby's room or see who's at the front door. Alexa, show me the front door camera. Alexa is always getting smarter with thousands of skills available. Skills are like apps. Use them to find recipes, play games, and more. Find your favorites by saying, Alexa, get started with skills. And to customize your home screen, change your background to a personal photo, show sports scores, or change Wi-Fi, simply swipe down from the top to access settings. To discover even more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can you do? Welcome to your Echo Show.
This device is ready.
Hey Alexa, what can you do?
You can say things like, what's the weather in Sydney? What timers are set? Or,
That's where
wake
the
me up to music. And many more.
tell me a joke.
You gotta say dirty joke.
Yeah. Play Cocaine Song. Eric Clapton.
No, hold on.
Alexa, play the Cocaine Song.
Cocaine by Cream on Amazon Music.
Play something else. Alexa, play something else.
Here's a playlist you might like. Best of Time Country on Amazon Music.
I don't like that. Alexa, play something else.
Here's a playlist you might like. Top 50 most played, pop on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play something else.
Here's a playlist you might like. Relaxing acoustic pop on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play something else.
Here's a playlist you might like.
Alexa,
Best of
play
Pop
the
Pop.
Dictator soundtrack.
No, don't. That's bad.
The Dictator. Music from the motion picture by various artists.
No.
On
Hey.
Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take 45 seconds. To connect your lights or plugs, just turn them on now. Power them on by removing the battery strip. For locks and other products, refer to the manufacturer's instructions to put them in pairing mode.
Is there a home screen?
Home. Make it bright.